Thatgirlkitaa. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today we will be installing yet another bomb wig from Luvme Hair. But before I show you the unit, I do want to do a quick unboxing for you guys just to show you some of the things you may receive when you get your unit. So you'll receive a user guide which has all of Luvme Hair's hair care tips inside. You'll also receive a mesh baggie to keep your hair safe while you're not wearing it. A cute makeup case that also comes with goodies like press-on nails, hooped earrings, and eyelashes. And this is the unit I will be installing today. This is Luvme Hair's Chestnut Brown Loose Wave 5x5 Closure Wig in 16 inches. This is one of their pre-plucked glueless fall wigs. It comes with 4 attachment combs, an adjustable strap, and even the elastic band is adjustable. So now let's get into this super easy install. I'm gonna make sure that unit is secured on my head using the elastic band and the attachment combs. And then to get the unit as flat as possible and, just help it look a little bit more natural, I'm going to use my wax stick and then go right over that with a hot comb. So one thing I love about Luvme Hair is that most of their units come ready to wear. I mean, straight out of the box. This unit, for example, this one is already pre-plucked, so if customizing a hairline is something that you have a hard time doing, I would definitely recommend getting your hands on some Luvme Hair. Get yourself a nice unit because Luvme Hair has you covered. You don't have to worry about bleaching or plucking or any of that, okay? So to brighten up that part and make it stand out, I'm using some concealer from LA Girl. You can use concealer, foundation, makeup powder. It really doesn't matter. So I'm really feeling this loose wave texture. The waves are soft and fluffy, and I kind of want to keep it that way. So I'm just going to use my wand curler and go over a few pieces, and we'll see what we get from there. I definitely want to keep the big, curly, messy look.
You got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever
So I'm just going to use my fingers to separate the curls and just play with the hair a little bit to get that desired look.
Should I move on since no one's here?
And my camera must not have been recording while I was cutting the lace because I only have half of the footage. I'm so sorry, y'all. This is my favorite part too. But I'm using an eyebrow razor to cut that lace, and you guys know I do not like straight lines, so I'm definitely not trying to be perfect doing this. And can we get a quick glueless check? Yes, ma'am, she is glueless. And y'all get into this color, this body, this movement. I'm definitely feeling this install and how it turned out. Thanks again, Luvme Hair, for sponsoring today's video. Y'all make sure you check them out. I will have their information linked down below, as well as details on this unit. Oh, and also, I don't know how I always forget to say this, but I always include it in my description box. So if you checked it out, you checked it out. But I have a discount code for you guys, and it is Thatgirl23. So use that at checkout to save some money. But that's all for today's video, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.